Hi everyone, this is Daniel Yosko at Main Hosting Solutions, and today I'm here to teach you how to change your email password in cPanel. So it's a pretty simple process. I just need to walk you through logging into the client area, then into cPanel, and then to your email settings. So first we're going to start out with the top right of any page on our website at mainhost.com. Click Login. Put your admin username and password in. Let me just retype this. And this brings you into your client area. And this is where you can manage everything on your hosting accounts. So once you're in here, most accounts, it'll just have a one here. You'll have one service, one hosting account with us. I have several accounts that I experiment with here. So you can also go to Services, My Services, or just click on the Services icon, and it'll list all the accounts, or all the hosting accounts under your package with us. So here you can see I have several accounts, and you'll most likely just have one there. And locate the account you want to edit the email package for. So I have an email set up at a1-test-account.com. You click anywhere in the blue bar or on the active button. This brings you to the settings for that hosting account in your client area. You can log into cPanel directly right here, or we can scroll down, and these are the most common accessed features in cPanel. So we can just click on email accounts here, and this will bring us right into cPanel and right to email accounts. And you can see I have an email account, Daniel at a1testaccount.com here. And right over on the right, these are all the things that you can access to manage this email account. And today we're talking about changing that password. And here, we can change the password right here. I use Safari. It always suggests strong passwords for me. But you can use the Generate Password tool. So here's my new password. I'm going to select that and copy it so I can save it into my email program. As well as we can paste it right down here. Now we have a matching. It asks you to confirm, so we make sure you have the password right. Hit change password, and you're done. That's it. The password for that account has now been changed. Just one quick thing, while you're on this page right here, you are logged into cPanel. You can visit the cPanel homepage. Whoop, sorry, right here, and here's all the features in cPanel, and if you scroll down, here are all those email features as well. You can hit email accounts here. Okay, well, that's it. That's how to change your email password in cPanel.